Hey everyone, Joey here, and today I want to do another great video for you guys, a great drone video for you guys, of the new motel slash hotel that's being built here in the Wildwoods. Now we're currently on the corner of Spencer and Atlantic Avenue, and we finally have a name for this new hotel. It is called, ready for this? The Waves Hotel. I can't wait. Isn't it going to be exciting once it's open for the season? Look how amazing it is. It's big. Obviously, a lot of work still left to do, but it's gonna be nice once it's done. So let me go ahead and get the drone up in the sky. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and let's get started. So there you guys go. What do you think so far? I mean, every single month we've been doing an update video, and slowly every single month it gets better and better and better. Honestly, I can't wait. So if you haven't done so yet, please go ahead, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and I'm gonna go because it's really cold outside. I'll see you later.